Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Tacticon 24 Battle Pack Tactical Backpack. This bug-out backpack featured as waterproof lining, rugged material, oversized zippers that only the highest quality, comfortable padded and breathable mesh with double-stitched seams was used in this engineered design to last for a lifetime of everyday carrying to rugged outdoor hiking. Concealed carry ready, laptop safe, hydration bladder compatible built-in universal CCW handgun holster for use as part of your EDC and a large padded 17-inch compatible laptop storage area. Insulated compartment with hanging clips and drink tube access for your hydration bladder. This is collapsible or expandable design with our proprietary compression straps allow the backpack to be cinched down to a small 20-liter size or expanded out for a 3-day overnight adventure. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best bug-out backpack list is EMDMAC Military Tactical Backpack. The MAIE webbing system of tactical backpack is designed for convenient for attaching additional MAIE tactical pouches or more gears. 3 rows of MAIE Velcro areas in front of the backpack. The front and both sides and bottom and shoulder straps come with MAIE attachment straps, the shoulder straps with 2 D-rings to hang somethings, and the straps at the bottom can be used to hold a tent and sleeping pad or other outdoor gear. With dual zippered closure and made of high-density double-stitched 900D Oxford and nylon fabric, this pack is durable water-resistant. The back area and shoulder straps with adjustable chest strap are ventilated mesh padded design, breathable comfortable. Sides and bottom load compression strap system, to adjust and tighten the backpack. The thick mesh padding back area and shoulder straps will not pinch you under heavy duty. This military backpack has 2 main large compartments, 2 small compartments in front, and 1 back compartment. The large compartment has an elastic strap to hold laptops or anything you don't want to move around. Each compartment has mesh pocket or zipper pocket to help with organization. Y strap on the top allows you to hold more items, like sleeping pad or sweatshirt. And it's much more convenient to put your gadgets into the bottom side pockets. Our third pick is QT and Key Military Tactical Backpacks. This military tactical backpack is appropriately sized 45 liters capacity. This pack has room for all of your essential gear. Large multi-layer interior storage compartments can accommodate a lot of outdoor equipment, and also meet your daily travel needs. Suitable for fitness, outdoor travel, hiking and other outdoor activities. Military-grade backpack is made from 900D polyester material. Tactical assault backpack is reinforced and double-stitched at all stress points. Resistant and tough, and our special coating makes our training backpack both water-resistant and scratch-proof. MAIE backpack webbing system on the front and sides, designed to be used in conjunction with other equipment, allowing you to attach additional pouches or gears as a tactical backpack, such as a kettle pouch, walkie-talkie pouch, first aid pouch, torch pouch, sundries pouch, and sleeping bag and mat. 2 front pockets for small items, 2 large compartments with built-in zippered pocket and mesh pocket for big and important supplies, dedicated laptop device compartment, a hidden back pocket for frequently used items. Army military backpack opens flat to 180 degrees for easy packing unpacking. Fourth pick in our best bug out backpack list is GZ Xinxing Tactical Backpack. The Moye Tactical Backpack has Moye system, Moye webbing throughout for attaching additional tactical pouches or gear as 3-day assault pack bug out bag backpack combat Moye backpack. This tactical assault pack backpack can be used as 3-day assault pack, bug out bag backpack, range bag, hunting backpack, survival backpack, army backpack, trekking backpack or day pack for daily use. The waterproof rain cover is hidden inside the zipper pocket at the bottom of the backpack. Open the zipper pocket and you can get it. The waterproof rain cover is hidden inside the zipper pocket at the bottom of the backpack. 45 liters large capacity. There are 2 main compartments, 2 small compartments in front, and a back compartment for a hydration bladder. Backpack didn't include hydration bladder. Each of the compartments has variety pockets to help with organization. The large compartment area have 2 soft padded laptop pockets and 1 mesh pocket for carrying your gear. Ventilated mesh padded back area and shoulder strap, breathable and comfortable. Military backpack is made of high density fabric, durable and water resistant. Assault pack backpack with double stitched, heavy duty zippers, side and front load compression system. Last in this list is Army Camo Expandable Backpack. This bag is ideal for people who like camping, hiking, traveling, fishing, hunting, climbing etc. The generous space helps you fit anything you need for a 3-day adventure outdoor. The main area expands from 5 inches to 10 inches to fit more gear. One nice surprise is the waist strap is removable for when you are not hiking, camping and trekking. It's crafted into perfection, made of 600 denier polyester with vinyl backing that is waterproof and perfect for any outdoor activities, whether rain or shine. It will never break, soak wet or damage easily and will definitely last for many years. Wide and thick padded waist strap to relieve back stress, make more stable and protect your waist from unexpected strain. Front Moye webbing compatible for pouches or allowing you to customize your storage option as you need. A Velcro spot on the front lower side of the pocket can attach your favorite tag. 2 side buckle to assist the zipper closure and to make it more stable and safe for your things inside of your backpack.